What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In the last video we removed the fairings on the 2006 GSXR and then we gave it a detailed cleaning and went over some of the damaged parts. If you haven't seen that video, I will put the link in the description below. We will be starting on part 2 of the 2006 GSXR in this video, so without further ado, let's get straight to work. Alright guys, I have sent in all of the parts on the 2019 R1 to be repaired. I am still waiting for them to come in, so while we wait for those parts, I will be starting on part 2 of the 2006 GSXR. I want to remove the front wheel, the forks, the triple tree, as well as the handlebars and levers, because this handlebar did take some damage and I will possibly need to replace it. As well as I do want to remove the forks and triple tree because this bike was probably not in its first accident, as it did have an aftermarket fairing kit on. So just to remove those parts and have a general check would be a good idea. As well as I want to remove the radiator and the oil cooler because the radiator is damaged over there. And I also want to remove the rear wheel and just have a general inspection and everything else and remove all of the other parts that I can find. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so the whole front end has been removed and I'm really happy that I removed the triple tree, and that's because it actually rusted on this steering stem over here and it also rusted on the inner race. But luckily I will be able to reuse both of these parts. I will just polish them out and re-grease them. I might even be able to reuse the bearings. I will be replacing the dust seal just to make sure no water gets inside next time. But as for right now, I want to go ahead and remove the radiator and the oil cooler as well as the rear wheel, so let's get straight to work. Alright guys, the oil cooler, the radiator as well as the rear wheel has been removed. Now I want to go ahead and drain all of the remaining oil left in the engine. And then I also want to remove the cover over here because it is a little bit scratched up. And I also want to remove the cover on the other side because the paint actually came off in the previous video when we were washing it with a pressure washer. So then I need to still find a cover for the other side over here, and when I get all of those covers, I'm going to have all of these covers painted or powder coated so they can all match and blend in perfectly. So let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so both covers have been removed, and I also decided to remove the sprocket cover and the water pump just because I will also be painting or powder coating those parts to make everything blend in really nice. I'm not quite sure which bike I will be working on next. I really want to work on this 2019 R1 just because I've had it for a couple of months now, but it is extremely hard to find parts and Yamaha is really expensive on parts on this bike, so I am taking it slow. It might end up that we finish the 2006 GSXR first. I really hope that's not the case, but we will have to see in the near future. But that is going to be a wrap for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment. You can also consider subscribing, as 84% of you guys are still not subscribed to the channel. It's really easy to subscribe and it is free. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and then a bell icon will appear, and if you click that, it will notify you when I upload a new video. I do have a Patreon. If you want to support the channel, I will leave the link in the description below, as well as you can also follow me on Instagram at Garreth_Collins. But until next time, peace out. Wait, there's one more thing. There is a Discord channel if you want to follow me on Discord or join the Discord channel and join some kind of community. I'll leave the link in the description below. Until next time, peace out.